Now, up till now, we've been talking about algebraic structures which had only one operation, okay? Now we are going to look at rings which are algebraic structures having two operations, okay? So how do we define rings? Rings is defined as follows. It's an algebraic structure denoted as R, plus, dot. Okay, just understand this is not a normal addition, this is not a normal multiplication. It is just denotion of operation 1 and operation 2. It can have any semantics, okay? It does not necessarily have to be a plus or a multiplication operator, okay? These can be any two operations, okay? But the denotion is like this. An algebraic structure is denoted as R, plus, dot, okay? And it is, a ring is denoted as like this, okay? Is called as a ring if it follows certain conditions, okay? The conditions are if R, plus is an abelian group, okay, that's the first condition. The second condition is dot is associative, okay? What does this mean? This means that A dot B dot C is equal to A dot B dot C, okay? For all A, B, C belonging to my R, okay? And the next condition is distributive law should hold, okay? So what is the distributive law? Distributive law must hold, and the distributive law is this: A dot B plus C is equal to A dot B plus A dot C, and B plus C dot A should be equal to B dot A plus C dot A, okay? This should be true for all ABCs, okay? For all A, B, C belonging to R. If this is the case, then we call R as a ring, okay? So I have this as condition 1, this as condition 2, and this as condition 3, okay? So let us take some examples. Simply the addition of integers and multiplication together constitute a ring, okay? Why is it so? Obviously Z, plus is an abelian group, okay? Abelian means commutative property should hold. A plus B is equal to B plus A for all integers, right? So it is an abelian group. What is the next condition? Dot should be associative. Obviously multiplication operator is associative, so I do not have to do anything about it, and distributive law must hold. Obviously for all integers even distributive law holds, therefore Z, plus, dot is a ring, or we say that operation multiplication and addition on integers is a ring, okay? Other example that I can give you over here is Zm, where M can be anything, plus, dot. Even this is a ring. We have already seen Zm, plus is an abelian group, okay? You can also check it out that other two properties over here also hold, okay? Let's take an example so that you know that this is true. What is one? Let's talk about Z6, okay? What is 1.5.2? Let's take a look at this, okay? This is going to be, this is 6k1 plus 1, right? This is 6k1 plus 5.